No. Oh yeah, we do say it. If you would like to learn useful everyday sentences in Ijaw language, then keep on watching this video. Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time you are seeing this face, hi. My name is Josephine Alagba. I make interesting things on here, interesting lifestyle vlogs, self-development videos, Ijaw language tutorial series, and everything in between. So if any of this interests you, do well to join the family, turn on your post notifications, subscribe. This is our first Ijaw language tutorial series in 2 years. I know, guys, I'm trying to do better and promise me I have something in store for you guys, all of you that subscribe to my channel solely to learn the Ijaw language and also watch some other of my videos. I have something for you at the end of this video, so stay put. Now, today we are going to look at 10 useful everyday phrases or sentences in Ijaw language. Now, when you wake up in the morning, or you just start your day, there are certain things that you say every day, every day. So we are going to start with those. So greetings and courtesies. For the purpose of this video, we are going to start with good morning, good evening, and good night. So good morning. What is good morning in Ijaw language? In my dialect, Ikibrekwetama dialect, good morning is Seride, Seride, Seri day, Seri day. Now, in other dialects, you will hear Serido, Serido, Bade, Bado. Okay, they are all correct. Different dialects in Bayelsa use either of these, and some other ones to say good morning. Now, they're also just in River State, in Delta, in Edo. So you understand what I'm trying to say. Different dialects have different ways that they say good morning. Just for the purpose of this video, we are going to use Seride. Okay. Now, it's interesting to know that Seride literally means have you woken up? So the Ijaw people greet with a question, which is interesting. Now the response to this is inyo, which is yes. So seride, inyo. You can also respond by saying seride yo, which is saying yes. So I've woken up. Oh. Okay, seride, inyo. Good morning. Good morning. Oh. Okay. Now, good evening. Good evening is dinde. Dinde. This is also a question. Dinde. It's like asking, night don't fall in pigeon. Night don't fall. Dinde. Okay. Now, if you want to say good night, you say sienda siri. I know this sounds like a sentence, so I'm going to take it slowly. Sienda siri. It's literally saying sleep and wake up. It's like a wish. It's like someone is wishing you to sleep and wake up. It's like have a beautiful night. I want to see you tomorrow. So you better sleep and wake up. Do you get? All right, let's go to our next useful phrase. So this came in a set of three. Okay. Now to our second useful phrase. Our next useful phrase is come outside. Now, if you're outside waiting for someone and you are telling the person to come outside, how do you say that in Ijaw language? We say Tirizabo, Tirizabo. You can also say Tirizapabo, Tirizapabo. But the most frequently used is Tirizabo, Tirizabo. Come outside, Tirizabo, come outside. It might sound different from the way I'm pronouncing it, but you get what I mean. Teresa Bo, come outside. Let's go to our third useful phrase. Our next useful phrase is please open the door. This is a very useful phrase. especially because of the first word, please. Now, what is please open the door in Ijaw language? In my dialect, we say pa sise ogugo fini. Pa sise ogugo fini. Pa sise is please. Ogugo is door. Fini is open. Please open the door. Pa sise ogugo fini. Okay, that was quite simple, right? And it's like an everyday sentence, if I do say so myself. All right, to our next sentence. Our next sentence, we use this every day. I use this every day. Okay, let me not say we. I use this every day. Okay, I be on the phone saying this like almost maybe 2 to 3 times in a day. And this phrase or this simple sentence is, I am hungry. What is I am hungry in Ijaw language? In my dialect, we say, a mene monkorimini. A mene monkorimini. I am hungry. A mene monkorimini. I am hungry. Okay? So maybe next time you want to say you're hungry, you want to tell somebody you're hungry, you can just say it in Ijaw. A mene monkorimini. There is also another way to say it. You say, ye monkorimini. Ye monkorimini. Now, the reason why I would not recommend this is because the Ijaw words are almost intertwined. Ye sounds like what we use for husband. Yay, yay. Okay, there is a difference, but they sound alike. So just stick with emene, okay? Emene monkorimini. I am hungry. All right. Let's go to our next useful phrase or sentence. If you want to tell someone, where are you? How do you say that in Ijaw? Emene tiokemine. Emene tiokemine. Where are you? Emene tiokemine. Where are you? Okay, I'll take it one more time. Emene tiokemine. Where are you? All right. It's a simple question. And I know that we use this almost every day. So it's a very useful phrase in our everyday life. I hope so. All right. Let's go to our next simple sentence. Our next useful phrase is forgive me, which is same thing as pardon me. So if you want to say forgive me in Ijaw, you say akebomo. Akebomo, forgive me. You can also say ebomo, ebomo. Okay? Two ways to say it. Same thing as pardon me. It is important to know that pardon, forgive, and let use the same word in Ijaw. So if you want to say let him, you say obomo. Okay? If you want to say let her, abomo, which is same bomo, like I mentioned earlier. So let's just go back to the useful sentence that we're focusing on, which is forgive me, pardon me. Akebomo or ebomo. Okay? So maybe the next time you want to tell somebody to forgive you or you want to tell somebody to pardon you, you can just use ebomo or akebomo. Now, if you want to add please, okay, you're asking for forgiveness, you want to add please, you want to say please forgive me, you say pasise akebomo. Pasise akebomo or pasise ebomo. Okay, let's go to our next useful sentence. The weather is a bit funny these days. It rains and then the sun is up, the next minute it's rains again and it storms and everything. So if you want to say it's about to rain, how do you say that in Ijaw? In my dialect, we say Osuo Korono. Osuo Korono. Now, if you want to say it's raining, we say Osuo Koromini. Osuo Koromini. This is like a bonus. Okay, so let's go back to it's about to rain. Osuo Korono. Osuo Korono. Now, if you have a phrase or a simple sentence that you would like to know how it is said in Ijaw, do well to drop all of them in the comments, okay? Now, let's go to our next simple sentence or phrase. Our next sentence is, how much is this? You go to the market or you're just walking by and then you want to buy something from a close by store or something. How much is this? How do you say that in Ijaw language? In my dialect, we say, baby tione or bay tione. Two ways to say it. Baby tione. Baby tione or bay tione. Bay tione. You can use whichever one you want. They both mean the same thing. Okay? Now to our next useful sentence or phrase. I am waiting for you. If you want to say I am waiting for you in Ijaw language, how do you say it? Emene timi korumini. Emene timi ekorumini or emene ekorumini. I am waiting for you. Two ways to say it. Let me say it again. Emene timi ekorumini. Emene ekorumini. One has Timmy, the other one doesn't have. Now, if you want to shorten it and just say, I am waiting, you say, Emene korumini. Emene korumini. Okay? I hope it was easy. Let me just take that again. Emene timi korumini. I am waiting for you. Emene ekorumini. I am waiting for you. Same thing. All right? Now, let's look at the next one. Let's go to church. If you want to tell someone, let's go to church, how do you say that in Ijaw language? In my dialect, we say, Boro chochamu. Now, in Ijaw, we don't usually say church. Okay? If you want to speak like the typical Ijaw man, you will hear something like, Boro sosamu. Saucy. It's the ch is barely in Ijaw. Okay? So the ch, you say saucy. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to say churchy. Okay? Boro chochamu. Boro chochamu. We also say churchy. So it's like saucy. No, I don't think we say saucy. We don't say saucy, do we? Saucy, no. Oh yeah, we do say it. We do say it. I just remember vividly we do say it. Okay, back to why we are here. If you want to say let's go to church, say Boro chochamu. Boro chochamu. Let's go to church. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If it was, do well to let me know in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up so that YouTube can push it to more people who are interested and would like to learn. Okay, can share with your friends also. Meanwhile, I'll be starting 100 days Ijaw language tutorial series. So this is dedicated to all of you that would like to learn but did not learn while growing up. By the end of this 100 days, you should be speaking. Okay, Ama, Abe. Okay, you should be speaking. So yeah, if you would like to see this, do well to subscribe, be a part of the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.